This Re/Max distinctive property video is presented by Carol Mona. Lovely home in South Huntsville features 4 bedrooms and 3 baths and is 5 minutes to Redstone Gate 3. Completely updated west/quartz countertop in kitchen and MSD bath. Ceramic tile backsplash, Congoleum flooring and hand-blown pendant lighting over island and breakfast table. Custom plantation shutters, throughout. Crown molding on main level. Custom stained glass windows and doors in foyer. WD floors in study/formal dining. Great room has fireplace and French door to covered patio. Pergo flooring on second level except bedrooms 2 and 3. Desk and cabinets in upstairs landing. Bathrooms feature custom tile walk-in showers. Insulated garage door and walls, built-in shelving. Extensive landscaping, and sprinkler system. For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Mona at 256-882-2223.